In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get a blank username here on TikTok. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more TikTok content just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But the first thing that you're going to want to do is actually not load into TikTok and actually open up a browser of your choice and just simply search up in this browser blank character just like so and hit enter. What you're going to want to do is actually click on one of the top results just like so and just hit this copy to clipboard button on one of the invisible square characters that actually shows up. Now go ahead and scroll out of this and go into TikTok, where you're going to want to go ahead and click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner and then tap the edit button just like so. Go ahead and select your name field. If you try and paste this into your username, it's actually not going to work and you're going to get an error saying that usernames can only include lowercase letters, numbers, and underscores or periods, so keep that in mind. But navigate to your display name, go ahead and delete all this, and then essentially just click on the open text and hit paste, and as you can see, it's going to be a blank name just like so. From here, you just have to go ahead and hit save. I'm not going to do this because I'm not trying to change my name on my personal account, but this is exactly what you'd want to go ahead and do. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.